Mercedes-AMG E63S is certainly making a big impression. The monster sedan is one of the most powerful saloon cars on the market, offering performance, style and comfort in one package. Few tuning firms are to touch the latest generation E at the moment, but there are plenty of options for improving the outgoing model. Relative unknown German tuning outfit Posaidon recently released details of their latest package for the E63S. It grabs the headlines with a 1000 horsepower power rating. The performance package is referred to as the E63 RS 850 Plus and is based on the W212 Mercedes-AMG E63S. The official figures given by the Moheim-Karlsruhe-based company are 1000 horsepower and 1350 Nm of torque, the later figure being electronically limited to save the drivetrain components. These figures are dramatic improvements over the 585 horsepower and 800 Nm produced by the serial model. To produce the additional power, Posaidon install uprated turbochargers, insulated intercooling and a 3-inch sports exhaust system. The electronic optimization is carried out in-house and there is the option of enlarging the engine's capacity from 5.5 to as much as 6.5 liters. The vehicle Posaidon are showing in the above images uses the standard 5.5-liter capacity and produces just 920 horsepower and 1350 Nm of torque. The 1000 horsepower ratings are reserved for cars with increased public capacity. The 7-speed sports transmission has been strengthened to withstand the 1000 horsepower power rating. New limited slip differentials installed on the front and rear axles can withstand torque of up to 1500 Nm. On the suspension and wheels side of things, Posaidon fits sports springs to the front axle and an electronic adjustment to the rear axle. Aside from these subtle changes, few other enhancements have been made. The AMG rims and carbon fiber brakes are carried over from the serial model and the interior remains completely standard.